Hi, I'm Tom Snyder. I came to Cornerstone Health for a foot problem. And what kind of problem did I have? I was a runner for 25 years. My feet went flat. They went from 10 to 14. And I had a right toe that turned in. Plus I had myopathy. Plus a surgeon said it would take 6 months in a boot after surgery to correct it. I found Dr. Fergus. He's known as a person who solves other chiropractors' problems, and he sure did. Absolutely, I thought chiropractors were medicine men, and I avoided them like the plague. But I went online and looked at websites, and Dr. Fergus' website was the only one that said that specialized in feet, and it turns out that he's heavily into runners and our problems, and he solved my problem. Great. Up to this point, I could not buy leather shoes because my right toe turned so far to the left it would hit leather and I couldn't walk. And I'm a marketer. I wear a suit every day. I need leather shoes, so that's a very minor problem. The other one was that I was in tremendous pain. I had myopathy in the foot, and I was thinking about pain as opposed to what I was supposed to be thinking about. Came to Dr. Fergus and I was absolutely amazed. He worked with my MD. He had an MRI for feet to be sure what was wrong. And he did a lot of things I never thought a chiropractor did. I thought they just did massage. Turns out that he had an MRI, an expensive one, prescribed by my doctor to find out what was wrong. He did acupuncture, he did electronic stimulation, regular stimulation, lots of exercises, and herbal medicine. Amazing. Well, I've never been to a chiropractor, so I didn't know what to expect. And as I said before, he did a lot of things that I never thought a chiropractor did, which I appreciate. And also, he did it in increments of 15 minutes. So instead of charging for an hour that a doctor would do, it was a per 15-minute period. And sometimes that's as short a period as I had. Sometimes it was a half hour. Sometimes it was 45 minutes. Absolutely not. He is very much a conservative doctor, and that's what most of us want. No risk. He wants to be sure. He does it in not bursts and expects big surprises of happiness in just 15 minutes. It takes a while, and that's what happened. After 6 months, I have an arch. I have no myopathy. My toe is straight. And I'm going to be 80 next month, and I'm going to Yellowstone, and I'm going hiking.